How to sell Bitcoin on UnoCoin wallet. Are you guys facing issue to sell Bitcoin on UnoCoin? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Bitcoin or UnoCoin app on your mobile or laptop devices. Now, from the home screen, tap on the sell option at the bottom. Select Bitcoin from the list of your cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of the Bitcoin you want to sell or the INR amount you want to receive. Make sure you have enough Bitcoin in your wallet before proceeding. Review the current price and the fees displayed on the screen. Once everything looks good, tap on Sell Now. Then confirm the transactions. After selling, the INR amount will be credited to your INR wallet instantly. You can check your updated balance anytime in the wallet section. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna sell Bitcoin on UnoCoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.